Songbirds are sweet. Here's a few I saw in the first month of my birding big year on Vancouver Island. Golden-crowned sparrow, a bird that breeds high up in the mountains but can be seen as low as the seashore in the winter. Another more flashy New World sparrow is spotted towhee, a name that triggers my terrible 18th century naturalist impersonation. Spotted towhee. American dippers are always cool to see. Gotta love a songbird that swims and bobs to the beat. Brown creepers are fascinating to watch as they forage up a tree. It's like rock climbing but with snacks along the way. Another bark bird, Pacific wrens are at home in the understory of the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest. Happy birding, y'all.